What if I told you there's something on the horizon being called the USB-C for AI? It's a pretty bold claim, right? But it's trying to solve a problem that honestly, we've all run into. Imagine if all your AI tools, your files, and your apps could just talk to each other seamlessly. Well, that's the future we're diving into today.
I mean, you know that feeling, right? You're using something amazing like ChatGPT, and you're just thinking, man, I wish you could just look at this spreadsheet for me, or hey, can you check my calendar for next Tuesday? But you can't. It's so frustrating. It's like these super smart AIs are stuck in their own little digital boxes, completely walled off from everything else we do.
So, what if we could smash those boxes? What if there was a universal plug, a single standard way to connect any AI to any data source or tool, breaking down those walls for good? That's the big idea here. And this is where that USB-C for AI idea really clicks. Think about it. Before USB-C, we all had that one drawer just full of a tangled mess of cables, right? A different one for every single device. Well, that's kind of where we are with AI right now. Every connection is custom. It's a mess. But MCP, it aims to be that one standard plug. The one connection that links everything. Your chat apps, your code editors, your agents, and yeah, even your own local files. Okay, so what is this thing technically? It's called the Model Context Protocol, or MCP for short. Now, the two most important words here are open source. That means anyone can use it, anyone can build on it, it's not locked down. And its whole job, its entire reason for being, is to act as a bridge between the AI apps and what the tech folks call external systems, which, is really just a fancy way of saying all your stuff, your files, your databases, and your other programs.
This visual really helps put it all together. See how MCP sits right in the middle, like a central hub? On one side, you've got your AI applications, the chatbots and agents, and on the other side, you've got all your tools and all your data. And check out the arrows. They point both ways. That's a huge deal. It's bidirectional. That means the AI can't just read your data. It can actually send information back and tell your other tools to do things. All right, a universal plug for AI. Sounds cool in theory, right? But what does that actually unlock for us, like in the real world? What kind of mind-blowing stuff becomes possible once you connect all these dots? Okay, this is where it gets really fun. Seriously, imagine an AI that can actually hop into your Google Calendar and Notion and be a real personal assistant. Or get this, you ask an AI, hey, design a custom phone stand for me. It actually opens up Blender, creates a 3D model, and then it sends that design straight to your 3D printer to start printing. See the difference? We're going from AI as a chatbot to AI as a co-pilot that actually gets things done. And look, this is way bigger than just a few cool party tricks. A standard like MCP, well, it could lift the entire AI ecosystem. We're talking benefits for everyone, from the developers coding this stuff to you and me, the people who actually want to use it. So who's the winner here? Well, pretty much everybody. For developers, it's a game changer. No more building a million different custom connections. For the AI apps themselves, they suddenly get access to this huge ecosystem of tools and data. But the biggest winners? That's us, the end users. We finally get the smart agents we've been promised, ones that can actually see our data and go do things for us. And remember how I said it was open source? That's key. This isn't some secret project being cooked up in a corporate lab somewhere. No, it's being built out in the open for everyone to see and contribute to. The whole goal is to create this massive, collaborative ecosystem that just keeps growing.
So how does it grow? It's actually a pretty simple and brilliant idea. You've got two sides. On one side, people build what are called servers, which is basically just opening a door to their data or their tool. And on the other side, app developers build clients that know how to walk through that door. You get enough people building doors and enough people building apps that can use them, and suddenly, you've got a whole connected world growing all by itself. Which really brings us to the biggest question of all. See, a standard like this isn't just about fixing a technical headache, it's about laying a new foundation. It's about unlocking a new wave of creativity. So if we really could connect our AI to, well, anything, what's the first thing we would build? What's the first problem we would solve? That's the future we're talking about. That's what a protocol like MCP could make possible.